What's up, fam? It's your girl Shareen Nicole, and I am back with another video. I know that wasn't the face you were expecting to see, right? So today I'm bringing you a video on Wokaar wax kit. I just wanted to do a review and show you guys how it looks when you buy this kit and what comes in it and how to work this kit for you. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. But before we get started, make sure you give this video a like and also comment down below and let me know who has those unsightly nose hairs that needs to be trimmed, okay? Alright fam, let's jump right in. So, I love this kit because it comes with everything that you need. Like, you have your little mustache. I think that's super cute. For my men out there, this is actually like a dual kit. Especially it says it's for men and women. I think it's for both, meaning that you guys can both enjoy this wax experience together. Like, check it out. So men, you got your mustache covered, so you ain't gotta pull them hairs out, you know, when you're getting ready to do your nose hairs. You don't wanna pull out your mustache hairs. You have the sticks that are provided for that. You also have a manual, so it'll tell you what to do. Make sure you read it carefully, guys. Make sure you read it carefully. You've got your measuring cup and everything to go with it. And the reason why I say men and women can do this together is because if you get the pot that comes with it, you can also do your legs, ladies. So the same thing that applies for the nose kit also applies for the wax kit for your legs. And I love this. Look at this. I thought it was like a paintbrush at first, but it's actually like a silicone brush. So I really like that. Super soft on the outside, and then you've got the shiny interior so that your wax won't stick. So that's definitely a plus. So let's go ahead and jump right in. I'm not going to be doing a demonstration for the simple reason that I don't have many nose hairs. I'd like to keep the little nose hairs that I have. And as far as my legs is concerned, I can't do my legs because I had already shaved my legs. So my hairs are taking a little while to grow back, and you don't want to do a waxing on your legs when you have stubble because it's not going to come out the same way. You need the hairs to be longer so it has something to grab onto and something you can go and rip that thing off. So without further ado, let's jump right in. So as the instructions say right here, you want to make sure your water is hot. So after you do that and you put a little amount in here, as you can see right here, you're only gonna fill it up to right around there, which is like the 60 milliliter mark. So you put your water in there, your hot boiling water, you're gonna have your wax in this cup already, and you're gonna go ahead and set that right there. And what that's going to do is it's gonna create the wax to melt. It's like steaming it from the bottom, and the wax will start to melt. You can have your sticks and you go ahead and you wanna stir that up and make sure that it's a good consistency. So the consistency that you are looking for is like a thick honey consistency, not runny, because if it's like really runny, that means it's way too hot and you don't want to put that in your nose. So the same applies for the pot, ladies, for your legs. You want to make sure that consistency is like a thick honey before you put that on your legs. I would say test it on your forearm. Make sure that it's not too hot. It's like the same way you do for your child or babies. You know, when you take that bottle out of the water or however you guys heat it up, you sprinkle a little bit on your forearm to make sure that it's not hot. That's what you're gonna do here, guys. So before you get started with any of this and start ripping nose hairs out and taking leg hairs off, please, please, please make sure you read the instructions, okay? Like, I mean, the kit is only like $15. So I think it's worth it. So to all my couples out there, I say this is a win-win. Now the pot does come separately, so ladies, you're gonna have to purchase that pot. But men, you get this whole kit right here, okay? Okay. I'm gonna leave the links below, so if you guys wanna purchase this and you guys can get pulling those hairs together, I will definitely do that. Once again, the name is Wokaar, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.